In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll be able to record an expense accurately and keep your books tidy and audit ready. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Books organization if you're prompted. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Purchases. This area is where you manage money going out, like bills and expenses. Next, choose Expenses. This brings you to a list of all previously recorded expenses and the place where you'll add new ones. To create a new entry, click New. You'll see a form with several fields. Begin with the date. Pick the actual date the expense occurred, not just today's date. Accurate dates help with reporting and tax periods. Now fill in the core details. Choose the expense category or account that best describes what you paid for, then enter the amount. You'll also see a setting labeled Amount Is. Use this to tell Zoho Books whether the number you typed includes tax or is before tax. For example, if your receipt shows a total that already includes sales tax, set amount is to tax inclusive. If the amount you entered is the price before tax, choose tax exclusive so the system can calculate tax on top. Getting this right prevents mismatched totals later. Select Paid Through to indicate how you paid, such as a specific bank, cash, or card account. This ensures your expense hits the correct ledger and your account balances stay accurate. Then choose the appropriate tax option. If the expense is not taxable, set it to none. Otherwise, pick the correct tax rate used on the receipt. Next, select the vendor. This is the merchant or service provider you paid. Add a reference number if you have one, like the invoice or receipt number, so you can trace it quickly during reviews. Use the notes field to capture any context that will help you or your team later, such as what the expense was for or a project it supports. If this expense relates to a specific customer, select the customer name to associate it for better tracking and reporting. You can also upload a file, like a photo or PDF of the receipt. Clear, legible receipts make reconciliations and audits much smoother. When everything looks good, click Save. Your expense will appear in the list, and you can return to it anytime to review or make adjustments if needed. That's it. You've successfully added an expense in Zoho Books.